Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're someone who struggles with sleep or wakes up feeling bloated and sluggish, this video is for you. Today we're talking about 10 foods you should never eat after 6 p.m. and why avoiding them can help you sleep better, feel better, and wake up refreshed. Let's jump right in. 1. Heavy carbs, white bread, pasta, rice. Starting off, we have heavy carbs like white bread, pasta, and rice. Now, these are fine earlier in the day, but after 6 p.m., not so much. Why? Because refined carbs can spike your blood sugar and take longer to digest. This can leave you feeling sluggish and might disrupt your sleep cycle. 2. Sugary foods. Candies, pastries, ice cream. Number 2, sugary foods like candies, pastries, and ice cream. We all love a late-night treat, but sugar gives you that quick energy spike right before bed, making it hard to fall asleep. Plus, it triggers insulin production, which stores fat, not great when you're winding down for the night. 3. Caffeinated drinks. Coffee, tea, soda. Next, we've caffeinated drinks. Coffee, tea, soda, all the usual suspects. We know caffeine stimulates the nervous system, but did you know it can keep you awake for hours longer? If you want restful sleep, save these drinks for the morning. 4. Spicy foods. I love spicy food, but after 6 p.m., not a great idea. Spicy foods can cause indigestion or heartburn, which will keep you up at night. No one wants to lie awake dealing with that kind of discomfort. Number 5. Fried foods. Now, I know fried chicken looks amazing, but it's loaded with unhealthy fats that are tough on the stomach and take forever to digest. You'll go to bed feeling bloated, and nobody wants that. 6. Cheese. Cheese is a sneaky one. While it might seem like a light snack, it's high in fat and can cause indigestion. Plus, certain cheeses contain tyramine, which stimulates your brain and makes it harder to wind down. 7. Chocolate. Chocolate lovers, listen up. Chocolate contains caffeine and sugar, which can keep you wired longer than you expect. And dark chocolate? Even more caffeine. So, save this indulgence for earlier in the day. 8. Alcohol. Here's a surprising one. Alcohol. You might think a glass of wine will help you relax, and while it can make you sleepy at first, alcohol actually disrupts your deep sleep, leaving you waking up throughout the night. It also dehydrates you, which can lead to a rough morning. 9. Red meat. Number 9. Red meat. It's high in protein and fat, which means it takes longer to digest. Eating it late can cause discomfort, bloating, and make it harder to fall asleep quickly. 10. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruit. And finally, citrus fruits. They're healthy, but the acidity can lead to acid reflux or heartburn when you lie down, disrupting your sleep. Save these for the morning to jumpstart your day instead. So there you have it. 10 foods to avoid after 6 p.m. if you want a peaceful, restful night's sleep. By making a few small changes to your evening diet, you'll notice a big difference in how you feel the next morning. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on how to live healthier, and leave a comment below if you have any food struggles of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.